Welcome to King Green Tip. We share health tips and weight loss tips.
Drink cinnamon and honey tea 4 times a day for quick weight loss. Lose belly fat in 1 week. When it comes to weight loss, many long for the quick fix. We are all aware that exercise and a healthy diet are our best bets, but are there any silver bullets? One of the hottest weight loss trends today is including honey and cinnamon in your daily diet. People use this combo in tea, eat it straight, or use it as a topping for cereal and other foods. Here is the recipe for how to make this tea. Materials to prepare. The first is a 250 ml glass of hot water. The second is 2 tablespoons of honey. The third is 2 spoons of cinnamon powder. The fourth is 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Here are 4 ingredients you need to prepare for this recipe. Proceed as follows. First, add 2 tablespoons of honey to a cup of water, followed by 2 spoons of cinnamon powder. Finally 1 tablespoon coconut oil. You use a spoon to stir the ingredients together and can be used. The very word honey is associated with love, vitality, and health. In fact, honey does have many healthful properties. For starters, honey is an antimicrobial agent when used topically. This means that it can prevent bacterial infection, because of its thickness, low pH, and the hydrogen peroxide produced by its enzymes. In fact, research shows that it is highly effective at treating wound infections. It's also good for treating burns, and is as effective a cough suppressant as some over-the-counter medications. Like honey, cinnamon is linked to many medicinal properties. Studies show cinnamon contains antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties. It contains antioxidants, which help improve health in various forms. The spice also has the potential to lower blood pressure and cholesterol. It can help boost metabolism and improve insulin function, thereby aiding in weight loss. Surprisingly, cinnamon can help you get past food cravings by giving you a feeling of fullness and satiety. Most health benefits of cinnamon are believed to come from cinnamaldehyde, the active compound in the spice, which also gives it its flavor. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, honey can activate hormones that suppress the appetite, which is vital for losing weight. The antioxidants in honey promote health in various forms. It is also highly effective at treating burns and wound infections. Honey contains properties that help boost metabolism and enable the body to burn fat. Studies suggest that replacing sucrose with honey can help decrease the levels of triglycerides, cholesterol, and body weight. As a bonus, the MCTs in coconut oil don't end up as stored body fat like longer-chain monounsaturated fatty acids sometimes can. Hence, beware of scams that promote industrialized oils like the CLA safflower oil diet for weight loss. Coconut oil has been of interest because it contains both medium-chain and long-chain fatty acids. The primary component, however, is lauric acid. Based on its structure and function, lauric acid lands in the middle, behaving in some ways like a medium-chain fatty acid and in others like a long-chain fatty acid. Finally, coconut oil is highly antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral, which discourages pathogens in the gut from usurping roles ideally performed by probiotics. Research has demonstrated that thin people tend to have a healthier intestinal microbiome than overweight and obese individuals. Hence, using coconut oil can help change that microbial balance for the better over the long term. You may want to take cinnamon and honey drink as directed below. Morning, to help improve your digestion and metabolism, drink this Wonder Health Tonic first thing in the morning and half an hour before having your breakfast. It will also keep your energy levels intact through lunch. Between meals, taking cinnamon and honey water or tea between meals can help you prevent snacking on unhealthy junk between meals by curbing your cravings. Before aerobics, apart from doing some stretches, including cinnamon and honey water in your pre-workout snack can give you the energy required throughout your workout session. Before bed, before retiring for the day, drink this magic mix to help prevent late-night snacking and midnight trips to the refrigerator, which will only hamper your weight loss efforts. It will also work on your digestive system, thereby helping you get a good night's sleep. Besides, you often exercise to improve your health and accelerate your weight loss. Thank you for watching the video, wish you success. If you find your video useful, like it and share it with friends. Don't forget to click subscribe and notification bell to update weight loss videos.